The meaning of roots. Square and cube root. So far, we have learned that the four basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, are related to each other in such a way that they are the inverse of each other 2 by 2. In simpler words, subtraction is the inverse of addition and division is the inverse of multiplication. When dealing with arithmetic or algebraic expressions, we have also dealt with powers, as a shorter way to calculate recurrent multiplications of the same factor by itself. Hence, logically, there must be an inverse operation of raise in power as well. And the truth is that such inverse operation does exist and is called finding the root of a number. By definition, the nth root of a number is a new number that when multiplied n times by itself gives the original number. The symbol we use to represent roots is square root of. The nth root of a number x is symbolically written as n square root of x. As a special case of roots, we can mention the second root of a number, known as the square root. In the case of square roots, the index n equals 2 is not written but implied, just like the plus symbol before positive numbers. The name square root originates from geometry, where the area of a square is calculating by raising the side length in the second power. Therefore, when the area of a square is known, we calculate the side length by taking the square root of the value representing the area, as shown in the following on screen. The symbol means implies in math. A positive number has two square roots, one positive and another negative. Thus, for example, we write the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. Example 1. Calculate the square root of the following numbers. A. 49. B. 81. C. 196. D. 361. Solution 1. A. We have the following shown on screen. B. We have the following shown on screen. C. We have the following shown on screen. D. We have the following shown on screen. Obviously, the square root of negative numbers does not exist in the set of real numbers, as we cannot find any negative number which, when raised at the second power, gives a positive value. Not only is this true for square root but for all even roots, as we compare them 2 by 2. Another root that has a geometry-based meaning is the cube root of a number. It represents a new number which when raised to the third power gives the original number. We write the index 3 at the upper left part of the root symbol to highlight the fact that we are dealing with the third root, or cube root, of a number. The term cube root derives from the fact that the volume of a cube is calculated by raising its side length to the third power. Therefore, if the volume is known, the side length of a cube is obtained by calculating the cube root of volume. We have the following shown on screen. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Etc. From the previous examples, it is easy to notice two things. 1. The cubic root of a number is a single value, not two numbers with opposite signs as in square root. 2. Unlike in square root, the cubic root of negative numbers does exist and it is negative. Example 2. Calculate the following roots. We have the following shown on screen. Solution 2. A. We have the following shown on screen. B. We have the following shown on screen. C. We have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 7.2.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 7.2.2, Roots as Fractional Powers. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.